I'm Dr. Vinita. I'm CTO and founder of Ameliorate Biotech Private Limited, and we were Arohan Gold Award winners in 2019, and we were awarded for our innovation, which is actually a diagnostic kit where we can simultaneously detect dengue, chikungunya, and two forms of malaria with just 2 drops of blood, and the results are available in less than 10 minutes. And also, it has the capability to detect the co-infection, which is a major challenge for the doctors to diagnose which have the diseases with similar symptoms. And this is the first of its kind in India. It all began with a personal tragedy in my home. A co-infection was missed, and that's how I lost my niece at just age of 11. So the problem of co-infection, it's like since long, but it is often overlooked by medical practitioners. So why? Because it's a very simple case. Like if I have tested positive for dengue, nobody is going to test me for any other disease. They will start the treatment for dengue only. But if I have a device which can tell me that, yeah, at this point, for diseases which have similar symptoms, I'm going to rule it out, then it becomes very easier for the doctors to treat the patient accordingly. And precious lives are saved. It has to impact the lives of the people. The main objective was to build a product which is affordable and accessible to all. We wanted to create a really good social impact through our product, and also not impact in a way that the people will get the treatment what they deserve to be. And it should be reaching to every remote parts of our country which actually lack in the basic diagnostic facilities. We didn't want it to involve a lot of instrumentation or those kind of things, because we know that in the primary healthcare sectors, usually these things are lacking. When we carried out the product validation studies, so there were a lot of challenges which we thought that we could actually tackle them going ahead. So had we not done those studies, probably we would not know. And those results which we got during the validation studies, they helped us to improvise our device in a much better way as it stands today. Getting the funds at that particular stage and doing the characterization and product validation in much greater depth truly helped us. The prototype generation took almost 1.5 to 2 years. After like 2019, we got the award. It was very difficult to get access to the private hospitals and the labs for the positive patient samples. But yeah, the prototype was done in 2 years. The biggest challenge was getting to work with really the positive samples, the patient samples, which was always a challenge in getting that kind of samples from hospitals, because first of all, it's a seasonal disease and that season has to happen and that disease has to happen during that period. For any biotech-based product, always the challenge is working with the hospitals to get the positive samples. Problem in biotech is it's very much cost intensive. The research is very much cost intensive. So always we need to have a backup of the funds, and because nothing can work without having all the things getting on in the lab. And in order to function in the lab, you need good amount of funds. Infosys Foundation, this Arohan Award was definitely a boost for us in order to have the product much characterized in a much better way, improvise our product, get it validated. So I feel that getting this funding at a very crucial juncture was very helpful for us. I'm very happy to share that the clinical evaluation trials which had happened at 3 different locations within India, there a lot of samples were tested, both from the positive and the negative patient samples, and the results very good. Sensitivity and specificity is more than 95%. Visibility of a startup is very important, because that kind of visibility, if a startup gets, they will have easier access to investors who would want to invest in your innovation. When we are shown as a company which has been recognized at such a big platform, that gives a lot of credibility, and definitely it has helped us, because post that award only we could raise a fund of 2.4 crore. Receiving really prestigious award like Arohan from the hands of Dr. Mrs. Sudha Murthy, ma'am, it was like a divine blessing for us. Actually, winning this award has brought us the guidance we received from the mentors. It truly helped us in actually overcoming some of the obstacles which we faced in the regulatory aspects. It's not only about the funding, because as entrepreneurs and as startups, we always have that kind of not all throughout knowledge is there for us. So If there is somebody to guide us on certain aspects which we are not knowledgeable about as a scientist, then it's really helpful. I would suggest every innovator, especially if they are in the biotech field, to have a lot of patience. And failures are very common, and you need to be really perseverant. You need to have a mental strength and perseverance to carry on, because failures are very common here. But if the idea is clear in your mind and if the objective is clear, we have to just go behind it.